How to use Grok Bot AI Agent. First, open the Grok app on your phone and sign in with your X or email account, if you haven't signed in yet. Once you're inside the app, start a new chat and describe the task you want Grok to handle. For example, you can type, "Research the best smartphones under $500 and compare their features and prices." Grok can search the web, analyze information, work with uploaded files, and help complete more complex tasks. Once Grok finishes the task, review the results and ask follow-up questions if you want it to improve or continue the work. You can also use Grok for research, writing, image and video creation, file analysis, and voice conversations. That's it. Now you know how to use Grok AI Agent. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy AI tutorials.